Imagine a little clay kitchen, its walls a warm, sunny yellow, sunlight streaming through a small window. On the stone counter, clay pots and pans wait beside a big round grinding stone, the amikalu. The air is thick with the sharp scent of ginger, garlic, cinnamon, and cloves, a spicy perfume that makes your stomach rumble. Listen, the thump of a knife on wood, the sizzle of mustard seeds, rice bubbling softly, a kitchen symphony. This is where simple ingredients become magic. Bright green curry leaves, fiery red chilies, golden turmeric, and earthy coriander powder, each a building block of flavor. The kitchen is a painter's palette, the cook an artist ready to create a masterpiece. Every object tells a story, a blackened clay chatty, a polished brass vessel, a hint of wood smoke in the air. This isn't just a place for cooking, it's the heart of the home, where traditions and memories are made. Today, this kitchen is preparing for an adventure. Kerala's famous spicy chicken fry. The anticipation is everywhere, in the colors, the smells, the sounds. The kitchen feels alive, ready for something special. The cook's hands move with purpose, gathering spices and preparing the tools. The stage is set for a culinary journey. Soon, the kitchen will be filled with the aroma of frying spices and the promise of a feast. This is where the story begins. The magic of Kerala's food culture starts right here. Every meal is a celebration, every dish a memory. And today, we're about to make one of Kerala's most beloved dishes. Meet the hero, Trivandrum-style spicy chicken fry. Picture a plate of deep reddish-brown chicken, not battered, but coated in a crisp crust of pure spice. Flecks of black pepper, fried curry leaves, and crispy garlic cling to every piece. The secret? Heat from Kashmiri chili and black pepper, giving both color and a bold, lingering kick. But it's not just fiery, it's balanced, making you crave bite after bite. The texture is genius, a crunchy exterior, juicy and tender inside. The marinade and frying method create this perfect contrast. Each bite is a celebration of spice and texture. This dish is unapologetically bold, just like Trivandrum itself. It's a proud showcase of simple ingredients transformed into something extraordinary. Every piece tells a story of its home, warmth, spice, and character. It's not just food, it's an experience. The flavors are confident, the personality unmistakable. Once you try it, you'll never forget it. It's a dish that stands out, memorable and unique. Trivandrum chicken fry is a true champion of Kerala's culinary world. It's a dish that demands attention and delivers every time. This is fried chicken, Kerala style, bold, spicy, and unforgettable. The magic starts with the marinade. Kashmiri red chili powder brings color and gentle heat. Turmeric adds golden earthiness, coriander a sweet citrus note. Freshly crushed black pepper gives a sharp kick, while garam masala adds warmth and depth. Ginger and garlic paste brings freshness and zing. Rice flour and corn flour are added for that signature crispiness. No thick batter, just a light dusting. A squeeze of lime juice brightens everything and tenderizes the chicken. A little yogurt or water turns it all into a thick, vibrant paste. Each chicken piece is coated lovingly, every nook covered in spice. The chicken rests, soaking up flavor. Patience is key. Hours in the marinade transform it from good to unforgettable. This is where the flavor journey begins. The longer it rests, the deeper the taste. The marinade is the heart of the dish. It's a simple process, but the results are extraordinary. This is the secret behind Kerala's legendary chicken fry. Now, the most exciting part, frying. Coconut oil heats in a heavy pan, filling the kitchen with its sweet, nutty aroma. Marinated chicken sizzles as it hits the oil, the crust crisping to a deep mahogany brown. The chef turns each piece, ensuring even cooking and perfect crunch. Fresh curry leaves, green chilies, and garlic are tossed in, crackling and infusing the oil with fragrance. The final touch, crispy curry leaves and golden garlic scattered over the chicken. Each piece is lifted out, glistening and aromatic. The kitchen is filled with triumph. The journey from raw ingredients to a spectacular dish is complete. The chicken is crispy outside, juicy inside, and bursting with spice. It's a feast for the senses, ready to be devoured. This is Kerala chicken fry at its finest. To understand this dish, we travel back in time. Kerala's spice-rich history shaped its cuisine, bold, balanced, and inventive. Chicken was once reserved for special occasions, but Christian communities made it a festive staple. Toddy shops perfected spicy, crispy chicken fry to pair with local palm wine. Trivandrum's version, with extra pepper and chili, is a proud descendant of these traditions. Today, chicken fry is a Kerala icon, found everywhere, loved by all. It connects generations, blending history and culture in every bite. Each plate is a story of spice, community, and celebration. Kerala chicken fry is more than food. It's a delicious piece of history. Everyone in Kerala has a chicken fry memory. For many, it's family gatherings, laughter, chatter, and a platter of grandmother's chicken fry at the center. Rainy monsoon days call for hot, spicy chicken fry, comfort food that brightens even the gloomiest afternoon. Local tatukadas, roadside stalls, serve it sizzling hot, drawing crowds with its irresistible aroma. Eating chicken fry on the street with friends is a classic Kerala experience. Making it at home is an adventure, a way to connect with roots and recreate cherished flavors. The first bite brings pride and nostalgia. Every time it's made, memories are relived and new ones created. Chicken fry is more than a dish. It's a celebration of togetherness. It's the taste of happiness, comfort, and community. Why does Kerala chicken fry win hearts everywhere? It's an explosion of flavor, aromatic, crunchy, spicy, and deeply satisfying. Versatile and easy to love, it shines as a starter, main, or snack. It's a perfect introduction to Kerala's bold, brilliant cuisine. Fried chicken but unforgettable, spiced, vibrant, and unique. It invites you to explore more of Kerala's food magic. Try it in a restaurant or make it at home. Embrace the boldness. Trivandrum chicken fry is a true taste adventure, a celebration in every bite.